Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by placing the can on level ground outdoors, away from engines or sparks. This reduces ignition risk. Once set, put on gloves and eye protection and touch a metal surface to discharge static. If the can has a built-in vent cap, open that first to equalize pressure. If not, use an approved siphon or venting spout rated for fuel. Make sure to keep your face and clothing clear of the fill opening while you proceed, safety first. Once the vent is open, tilt the can slowly to start flow. Sudden tilts cause glugging and splashes. If using a nozzle, maintain continuous contact between nozzle and receiver to prevent vapor escape and static. You want a steady, moderate flow. If you hear glugging or see fuel sputter, return upright briefly to let air equalize, then continue. Make sure the receiver is stable and grounded. This prevents static buildup and reduces spill risk while you transfer fuel. To finish, upright the can and close the vent slowly, then seal the main cap to prevent vapor release. This limits fumes and leakage. Wipe any drips with a proper absorbent and dispose of it per local rules. Store the can in a cool, ventilated area away from living spaces and hot equipment. If the vent clogs or the can continues to glug, stop transferring, use an approved clearing tool, or replace the vent. Do not puncture or use open flames nearby.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.